Hey lovelies, so we are now moving on to my second favourite product in our range, which is the BB Flawless Complexion Enhancer. Now this is a tinted moisturiser. If you like just a light moisturiser, you just want to show a little bit of colour, then this is the one for you. If you are a lady that has a normal combination to dry skin, then this is for you, because this absolutely oozes and really loves to just soaks up your skin as soon as you apply it. I absolutely love this product, especially for this time of year. You know, we're creeping into the winter months now. The nights are getting colder, the air definitely has changed, and this really will help your skin. It will deliver amounts of hydrants, keep you rehydrated, and will just give you that little bit of more, and will give you lots of moisturization and give you just that little bit of a tinted color. Now the color I'm using is Honey. If you would like a color match, we have 6 shades available. I'm more than happy to give you a colour match. Now I'm just going to use half of my face. Remember, we had already used this side with the primer, so I'm going to go in and use half this side to show you the difference between the coverage. Okay, so one moment. So I'm just giving it a good shake. I'm using our liquid foundation brush because this is a really good tool to use with this. This is very creamy and very easy to apply in just a few little strokes. I'm just going to show you. Now, as with all of our foundations, little is more. Okay, so just use a little tiny bit. So if I can just show you, look at that already. It really does just, it loves your skin. It absolutely loves your skin. And as I say, it just gives you that nice little bit of a really lovely glow. It's dewy, so it dries and it's dewy. It's not a matte finish. But look at that already. Isn't that lovely? I absolutely love this. This has to be my favourite of all of our foundations. And the good thing is, what I say as well, especially for ladies with mature skin like myself, this product is amazing because it doesn't sit in your creases. Look at that coverage, look. That is good, isn't it? Really good. So just literally press it into your skin. And work it through. Work it down into your neck area. Oh, I like to bring mine all the way down so it just matches your skin. Oh, that is amazing coverage, isn't it? And just a few little strokes, look at that, to there. How amazing is that? So that's our BB Flawless Complexion Enhancer. As I said, if you'd like any information or you'd like a colour match,